myself, Goldy sethi, and my wife, Sheena. We have been together for last 26 years, running a pharmaceutical company. We have got 100 plus products marketing across India. We shifted in this house in 2017. It's almost 6 years we have been here.
Why we got to know about Nibav was because Goldy did a lot of research. We shifted to a penthouse. There was no problem with the stairs. The only time when you have a get together or a party, moving stuff, moving people was a tough time, with the stairs. We did a lot of research on all of the lifts that we could have at our home, and Nibav, I think, was one of them.
Lift needs a lot of hydraulic and all those systems, and I wanted a flawless thing here. And when I did a research, I came to know about this vacuum technology of the lift, and I think it's only one company which is working on it is Nibav. That's how I have chosen this one. Then I had a demo at Kirtinagar at one of your demo places where I was satisfied with the flawlessness of this lift. It goes very smoothly. The best part is installation. It is like a toy. You can fix it anywhere inside the house. It's like a toy, you can put it anywhere. And it doesn't take much of space. It just utilizes the space which is required for the glasses to fit in. That's a beautiful technology, and the most important thing, hiccups are very less because there's no major machine inside. The vacuum technology is working in it. So I'm very happy. You don't feel very suffocated if you get stuck for few minutes.
Being a glass cubicle, you don't have that suffocation, claustrophobic feeling, which in normal Schneider lifts you have. Even in our apartments, we have the normal capsule lift. You don't feel claustrophobic. A person like me who's asthmatic, the minute light goes, I feel like somebody's trapping me. So that I think is one safety feature with Nibav, and that's why we chose Nibav. And I think they are the one who are the best in doing the home things.
My son, every day he has his own rides. He goes twice, thrice, up, down, and the visitors right now, though they are not moving towards the terrace, but they come and enjoy the ride of this lift. So at present, the practical part of using will be there in future. But at present, we are just enjoying those features of that flawless thing going up, down. That's what we are enjoying right now.
And the new feature that I think you've added is the Alexa. So kids are enjoying that also at the moment. Alexa can take the lift up and down. So
and one thing is there, I can say 2 people easily go. I've checked that. 2 people easily travel in that lift. Unless they are too bulky, otherwise.
Less use of mechanism, less use of space.
It is easy to install in any villa or koti, but it's very difficult to install in flat because you need ropes, everything. You need a pulley. I know all these technology. So for flat, this is a perfect solution up to, I think, 2 floors, it goes easily. So it's a perfect solution.
New, innovation in any renovation flat. I think that is going to be the highlight.
Then space utilization is very strong.
Definitely mechanism and space utilization, as I said earlier also.
So we'll definitely recommend to people. Thank you
So much. Thank you.